Wake up, team! We are trading the city for the trees today!
Dad, it's 7 o'clock a.m. Just 5 more minutes?
No more minutes! We leave in 1 hour, so hurry up!
I am so sleepy. My body thinks it's 2 a.m. But my friends will think I disappeared.
They can wait. You are going to survive without Wi-Fi.
That was one time. It was a heroic sausage.
Just hide it in your bag. Nobody's looking.
Is everyone ready? One adventure at a time! Phone, keys. Yes, let's go!
I want to see a monkey.
Or maybe a sloth.
This is torture. I feel like I'm invisible without my phone. Look at the clouds. They look like cotton candy. Fingers crossed we don't hit traffic.
Dad, are we lost?
The GPS says turn left, but there is a cow there.
We are here. Dad, get your wallet for the entrance fee.
Wait. Oh no.
No.
What's wrong? I think I left it in my other pants. I changed my pants this morning. Oh.
What? Don't tell me you forgot it.
So, no Wi-Fi and now no money?
No wallet, no cash. Today will be a challenge.
Does that mean no lunch? I'm starving. We have to improvise. Survive means keep going, not die.
Zero cash, zero guilt. We can hike in the free zone.
I'm really sorry, Anna.
I thought I grabbed it.
It's okay. Mistakes happen, but we need a plan.
My eyes are bigger than my stomach usually, but right now my stomach is empty. Stop complaining. Let's just walk.
Look at this view. It looks like a green ocean. See?
Fresh air. It smells different here.
In the city, cars scream louder than birds.
It feels magical, like nature's white noise.
It is too quiet. My brain feels weird. That is the sound of peace. Just breathe.
Okay, time for lunch. What do we have?
We have water and apples. That's it. An apple? That's a snack, not a meal.
We forgot the sandwich bag on the kitchen counter.
Wait, I might have something. What? A treasure? I learned from Genu. I thought, just in case, a sausage. You saved us.
The heroic sausage returns.
Rumi, I'm proud of you. You planned ahead.
Yeah, it did. The sausage in the world.
It tastes better when you are really hungry. See? I can survive without a phone.
You saved the day. That sausage is valuable now.
Zero cash, zero guilt, and full stomachs.
Oh, can we eat the apple now?
Look at the sky! Rain is coming!
Quickly, grab your things. Great!
Now we are wet and broke.
Hang in there. It means keep going.
Let's hide under this big tree!
We're all wet. I love it.
It's not a disaster. It's an adventure.
Actually, the rain sounds nice, like ASMR.
The forest smells different now. Everything wakes up.
Nature reminds you that life is bigger than your stress.
My head felt heavy this morning.
But now, I feel lighter.
And I feel full, thanks to the sausage. Sometimes we don't need a new place. We just need to slow down.
And check our pockets.
The rain has stopped. Let's go home, heroes. Oh!
Careful with the puddles, Genu. Look, this flower is drinking the rain. It's beautiful, just like the forest's secret. You You are a bit wet, but you look like a forest explorer now.
The car will be a bit muddy, but it's worth it.
I don't even miss my phone right now. I just want my bed. And maybe another sausage.
We have no money in our pockets, but we are rich in memories today.
Yes, Dad. Yes, Dad.
Driving back. Fingers crossed for gas.
We have enough gas. Just no coffee money.
Can we get ice cream on the way home? With what money?
I still have no wallet.
It's magic. Better than a phone screen? Yes, I'll post later. Right now, I'm just looking.
I'm proud of you guys. You did great.
We are brave explorers! Home safely at last.
I missed our cozy home.
Cozy home.
Look at the table. Look! My wallet! Ooh, it was here the whole time! Of course it was! You and your memory.
Dad, you left it right next to the keys.
At least it wasn't lost, just forgotten.
Right. Finally! Real food! Oh! I'll make dinner. Something balanced.
Pizza, my little one. Extra cheese.
Oh,
Oh yes, please, Dad. Can we?
and me?
Anything for you.
Oh,
We should do this again. Maybe next weekend?
maybe. But let's bring real food next time.
And I will glue my wallet to my pants.
Or just let Mom carry it.
Ha! Wait, what?
Good idea, Ginu. Mom always has a plan.
Mom is the CEO of this family.
That's right.
To the family detox.
And to the heroic sausage. I'm gonna sleep. No 5 more minutes tomorrow. We'll see about that. Good night.
I'm putting my phone away.
Really? Voluntarily? Just for tonight. Don't get used to it. One step at a time.
It was a good day.
We solve problems together.
That's what matters. Zero cash. Zero guilt.